So I'm analyzing gold, which is XAUUSD, and I'm on the chart right now. So on the 1 hour, this is on the 1 hour time frame, and I'll remove all of the drawings here. So let's go into the analysis and let's see what we have on gold. So as you can see currently, this is what's happening on gold. So let's go on the 4 hour. Let's determine our bias from the 4 hour. So from the 4 hour now, we know what we're going on. So on the 4 hour, we can see that gold have been, uptrending even from right from time since the break of this particular zone. Gold have been uptrending this particular zone. So this since the time of this zone, this break. So gold have been, pushing up. So this is what is happening right now on the 4 hour time frame. We have some pullbacks here. So like we can see this after every push to the upside, we are going to see some kind of retracement, and we are still going to see a break of structure again, and see a little retracement, and see a little push, a little retracement. So from the 4 hour time frame, I can see this is just a retracement. It's not yet a change of character, less this is taken out on the 4 hour time frame before we can say it's a change of character. So for the 4 hour time frame, this is what's happening on gold. So checking things from the higher time frame will give you a clearer view, not to make some certain mistakes on the chart. Because when you are on the chart, let's say this particular zone, we will be selling here thinking is a change of character and all of that on the lower time frame. So let's go on the 1 hour, like this particular zone here. So like this particular zone, so here we show that this is a change of character. So when the price should come back to the retrace a bit, then we'll sell. But you can see what happened. Gold keep pushing up because the momentum is very high. There is enough momentum on the 4 hour time frame. So I have this here also happening. We have we have this also happening here on the 1 hour. This is what we have. So on the 1 hour, we can see that this is a break of structure on the 1 hour. This is a break of structure, if we should name here break of structure. So I'll duplicate it now. We have another break of structure here, we have a second break of structure here. So what we see is that this particular break of structure, you can see, is taken out right here. It's taken out right here with this weak rejection, right? You can see there. So what's going to happen, and what we can see here, and even before then, we can see this also was taken out. This particular one was taken out. This particular one was taken out here. So what's going to happen is, for we to see a sell here, this is what we have to do. Put our level here, then we would love to get a sell from here that's on the 1 hour time frame. Then we'll love to get a sell from here. That's on the 1 hour time frame, right? This is what we can see on the 1 hour time frame because it's a lower time frame. But how gold is bullish and from the 4 hour is bullish, all I'm going to do here, because from the 4 hour is bullish, I'm not going to sell. I'm not going on a sell. All I'm going to do is just wait for what's going to happen. So I'm not going to sell gold right now. I'm not going on a sell on gold. So this is what I'll advise. So since we have a break of structure here at the top here, and this one a change of character to say before they go the push here to fall back. So you can name this one market structure shift here. So you can name here as the market structure shift. So this is what I'll suggest. Let's go on the 4 hour time frame, on the 15-minute time frame to see. This is what I'm gonna suggest here. This might not hold, but I'm just going to mark it out and see what's going to happen. So this is what's happening here. Also on the 15-minute time frame, this is what's happening here. So on the 15-minute time frame, we should get the zone is we can take it right from there here to the top here. So it's almost the same thing here, almost the same thing. So this particular zone is showing us for itself, but on the 4 hour, the way the momentum is, I'm not going to sell here, so I'm not going to sell. So but I want to mark it out as I see it on the chart. So on the 15-minute time frame, there is a break of structure of this particular zone that have not been filled. We have some zone there that have not been filled, so let's see how it goes. If that zone is gonna be filled before we continue to the upside, let's see, because we are on the lower time frame. So let's mark it out from the 50 to the 23. So I have this zone marked out right now, my fifth zone. So this is my point of interest. So instead of selling from here, I might buy from here. So I don't know if it's going to hold here. If this should hold, fine. If it doesn't, what's gonna happen is we'll wait for a break here. We'll wait for a break here. If it doesn't hold here, if we should see a break on this particular zone, maybe it comes and it breaks, what we want to see is a retest. Then we'll continue pushing to the upside, right? This is what we want to see. If it doesn't hold at that particular point, at this particular point, and if it should hold, all we are going to see is a drop to this side, might be to this side before they push to the upside. So this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking forward to see on gold. This is what I'm looking forward to see on gold. So any of it might happen. So let's wait and see. Whichever one, if we get a good confirmation here, this particular side zone, we'll sell from there. Should get a good confirmation, but from things, the way the price is, bullish, might sell to this zone. Going to come down here. I don't think the price is going to come down here, because why did I say so? Let's call this a break of structure now to this low. You can see that this is already tapped in. I've tapped in this zone already. So the zone left is the one above. So I want to mark this out. So you can see that. So what's left now is for gold, the price to push down here if possible, then we'll get the buy from there. And if it doesn't break this zone, we continue buying because of the momentum on the 4-hour time frame. So this is what okay, so my SL for this will be below. My SL is gonna be below here. So it's gonna be below here. Yeah. So my SL is gonna be something of this nature. So this is what I'm looking forward to see on gold. And whichever way it plays out, we are still in, because if it breaks this zone, we continue buying. We just see a retest, we continue buying. Retest on our zone. That is, we'll see a break here. We just have to see a retest on this particular zone here. Then we'll keep buying to the upside. We'll work with confirmation on this particular trade. And if it doesn't break this zone, we see our confirmation there, will sell to the downside here, to the point of interest here. So let's see how it plays out, and whichever way it goes, we are in. It's either it's gonna buy or it's gonna sell. So we are in for the both. If it comes here, we buy. If it comes here, we sell. If it gives us a clear confirmation. So let's see how it goes on. I'll see you in my next video. In my next video, I'll be making a video of a Profem, how you can get a free Profem. So stay tuned and turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop the video, you will be notified about it. And I'll be dropping it very soon, how you can get a free Profem, and you can make a withdrawal actually from the Profem. You can make a withdrawals, and I'll tell you all the process you need to go before you can make the withdrawals and what you need. So let's go.